Ever played a game like football or cricket? Now imagine, what if there were no rules? Everyone would cheat, and it'd be a mess. Well, guess what? The same thing can happen in business if there are no rules. That's where business law and the regulatory environment come in. Let's break this down in a fun and simple way. Ready? Let's go. Here's a famous definition of business law. Business law is the set of rules that tells businesses what they can and cannot do. And the regulatory environment. It's all the rules and government agencies that make sure businesses are safe, fair, and honest. Think of business law like the rule book for playing business, and regulatory environment is like the referees making sure everyone follows the rules. Real-life examples. Example 1. A toy shop sells broken toys that hurt kids. The law says no way. Example 2. A restaurant doesn't wash hands or keep food clean. The health inspector comes in. Example 3. A website steals people's passwords. The law shuts it down. These are all ways business law protects you, me, and everyone. Why do we need this? Here's why business law and rules are super important. They protect customers from scams. They protect workers from unfair treatment. They protect nature from pollution. And they make sure businesses play fair. As Mahatma Gandhi once said, a nation's greatness is measured by how it treats its weakest members. That's exactly what these laws help with. Fairness for all. Who makes sure businesses follow the rules? There are superhero-like agencies that keep an eye on businesses. FDA checks food and medicine. EPA protects the environment. FTC stops tricky ads and scams. OSHA keeps workers safe. These are like real-life watchdogs that bark when something's wrong. How does this help you? You may not see it, but business laws work behind the scenes every day. Your apple at lunch? Safe to eat thanks to the FDA. Your toy? Tested for safety. Your parents' workplace has clean bathrooms and safety signs. So even if you're just a kid, these laws protect your world too. So let's review. Business law, the rules of the business game. Regulatory environment, the watchdogs and referees. Together, they make business safe, fair, and awesome for everyone. Comment below. What business would you start one day? Like this video, subscribe, and watch our next one.